Good morning, everyone. I'm Yu Wenying. Today, I'd like to talk about one business proposal for information management technology of Sanofi. There will be 6 functions during the presentation. And let me do the introduction for you at first. As we all know that Sanofi is a French multinational pharmaceutical company primarily involved in solutions research, development, manufacturing, and marketing, while playing a global leader in healthcare in emerging markets. They are driven by one purpose: trace the miracles of science to improve people's lives. At present, information technology has become vital competence of Sanofi. They leverage digital tools for data mining and analysis to help gain insights from real-world evidence and apply them to the discovery, development, and delivery of new drugs. By using of the SWOT analysis, it will be evaluated the main opportunity and challenge of Sanofi. In terms of strengths, Sanofi's virtual diabetes trial is the first remote clinical study in Europe to include fully electronic informed content. This means that Sanofi is using data mining analysis technologies already has the experience, which will be more conducive to its further development. Moreover, Nova Discovery's collaborative advancement simulation platform. These resources and capabilities have become Sanofi's advantages in transforming the format of clinical trials. Secondly, the weakness. The organization lacks experts in information management technology to facilitate its transition from traditional clinical trials to virtual ones. Furthermore, the remote patient monitoring system, the establishment of a data collection system, and accurate mining of relevant data all require the participation of the professional talents. Therefore, Sanofi needs to establish a high-tech talent pool to help development of its virtualized remote clinical trials. Thirdly, the opportunities. The fourth industrial revolution using information technology has facilitated the development of Sanofi's virtual remote trials. Sponsors of clinical trials in the pharmaceutical industry are becoming to see and invest in research that can transform to remote trials. Moreover, informatization can reduce costs for the organization and speed up clinical trials. Therefore, Sanofi should continue to increase research in its field through the improvement of technology to attract more sponsor investment, to increase the research and development of new drugs to its company. And lastly, the treats. Although Sanofi has contained advantages in remote clinical trials, its strong competitors still pose a threat to it. For instance, in partnership with Apple, the Hotline Study app can download for iPhone. The partnership allows J to directly connect data with a wide range of iPhone users, adding to its data on remotely monitoring patients. Through the SWOT analysis, we can find the most significant link for a new drug to be approved for marketing is clinical trials. With the advent of the digital age and other factors, virtual clinical trials have become a new opportunity and a challenge for Sanofi. By compare and construct with data mining, Internet of Things, big data, and web analytics, there will be some ways to address the opportunity. Firstly, the data mining. The development of data mining will involve 5 major addresses like machine learning, artificial intelligence, pattern, and classification. It mainly involves the mining of a large amount of public and important private data. And through the AI, to achieve clinical trial data classification, electronic diagnosis, guided diagnosis, preliminary screening, and other fields. This enables the association and evaluation of patient-specific genomic and other relevant data to help select disease-specific population for clinical trial. Secondly, the Internet of Things mainly solves the data of patients wearing mobile devices in remote clinical trial. On one hand, it downloads and analyzes huge databases through the wireless networks, senders, and cloud storage. On the other hand, relevant data needs to upload it to the cloud for centralized storage for further revise, analysis, and evaluation. Suddenly, the big data. As the data age arrives, big data will be more specific. It will cover big data collection, storage, visualization, model prediction, and cloud computing. Using these technologies will provide Sanofi with more clinical trial plans and accurately predict the experimental results. At the same time, main consumer data and lifestyle analytics tool will accelerate patient recruitment and advance the drug into late-stage clinical trials. And last, web analytics. It is more suitable to analyze the network after drug launch to understand the feedback of the large number of patients in the network after taking the drug. Furthermore, it will be to further improve the drug itself or the instruction for use. Then how can Sanofi be more awesome in future? The information management technology strategy is the key indicator. By evaluating the different functions of IMT, it shows that Sanofi uses the information management technology combining the Internet of Things, big data, and data main to better carry out virtual clinical trials, and at the same time, more efficiently evaluate and predict the results of clinical trials. One of the recent years, virtual clinical trials expand the pool of participants without geography restrictions and inconvenience. Therefore, the participation of data mink technologies will realize the recording, storage, processing, and analysis of a large amount of the data. Secondly, combining those three technologies will facilitate data analysis for remote monitoring. In particular, the participation of the Internet of Things helps Sanofi to collect and synchronize data from different countries and regions safely and reliability through a comprehensive analysis of cloud storage, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Finally, big data, data mesh, and Internet of Things will enhance and accelerate the development of electronic sensor technology. Furthermore, big data could even help Sanofi's known drugs get into late-stage clinical trials faster. In conclusion, in the age of digital information management technology will help Sanofi play a diverse key role in the competitiveness advantage of the industry. By building big data platforms, leveraging secure cloud storage spaces, innovate the approaches to data main, integrating Internet of Things analytics, and artificial intelligence technologies. It will have a transformative impact on Sanofi's R&D and production efficiency. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your listening.